teaching myself how to use Canva to make thumbnails.
My most favorite tool on Canva, which is the Magic Grab.
Wait, how do I do that, Vanessa?
That I do is I will pick the pose that I think has the most potential in my with the brightness and maybe also the contrast, so it ends up looking like this. The next step that I then
Hello? Magic Grab. Come on. Okay, Vanessa, you're putting me on.
You want to grab from the picture, you then click grab. And then now a little rule of thumb that I typically like to follow is
text, add text box. Do this. Oh my god! I love this for me. Can I add a picture on here? I just made my first thumbnail.
also create shadows as well.
So I just made my first thumbnail. I'm doing it. I'm gonna upload my first ever YouTube video. Camcorder Chronicles 1. Cleaning up my junk room. Camcorder Chronicles, guys. My first ever YouTube video. I don't even care if this doesn't even get views. It's life-changing for me. Saturday the 5th, it's noon. Today we're gonna go to our friend's birthday, Tyler and Dakota, and it's gonna be at Dakota's parents' house. I just need to do some laundry and some cleaning before we start getting ready to go. I accidentally left these in the washer. Whoops. Rewash it. On nice days like this, I like to let him eat outside. It's bussin', huh? Yeah, it's a happy doggy. I think I might take him on a little walk as well. Oh, he heard me. It is quite warm outside and I wore a full sweatsuit. This guy doesn't care. Huh, Ross? Hey, wait! You gotta look both ways. Look at these cherry blossoms. They're so pretty. It smells so good over here. Like, look how cute these are. At the warehouse right now, getting a keg for the birthday party. Oh my god. Skills. This is where the magic happens.
K-O-D-E-S?
I guess you could do either or.
No, like what do they say when they text in the group? Not what is not either or.
I don't
what do they say when
ever see like.
Well, you don't read it, but
it's spelled.
yeah, but they do
Well,
it.
it's spelled D-A-K, so probably K-O-D-E-S. I would assume. It'll be fine.
I'm just gonna say Dakota.
Remember when she came to my birthday? She didn't even know it was my birthday.
It's all carbonated, cold.
Nice. So it's set up already then.
Yeah.
Cool.
And grab bottles. A couple bottles too. A little less than half, but
My man's a scientist. Do you want me to carry this?
we have to bring a regulator too.
Regulators. Look, that's me. 2023, 2 years ago? That's crazy. To bring them food all the time. Now I got no time. No time to be bringing people food. Look at my both mans.
I should bring a full keg. No, I can always come back if I need to.
Okay. Trying to be better at this vlogging thing. One eye. Anyways, I'm so hungry. All I had was a bagel. Just one single bagel today with cream cheese and tea, and that's it. So I'm excited to eat food. Wow. What was that? Victory Malone!
1, 2, 3. Big number 3, my lord. Oh, okay.
24.
We got Lily here in town. Oh wow, Megan.
Just for my fans.
Happy birthday!
Oh my god, I've not seen one of those.
Hi, Kitty.
Dude, the bones are gonna.
Don't mind if I do.
Behind the bar.
Trev's never been in here. This is Dakota's dad's little like backyard bar. It's full of shit. Megan scared me and thought that she was going to the actual ER. What's that? Dakota, you look really good. Your arms look strong as hell. Yeah, I want arms like that. And you look like Hailey Bieber right now. Hey, little boy, get your nose out the garbage. What's new?
Well, I just turned 30.
Yeah, I saw that. How was your birthday?
It was fun. It was a blur, and I got kind of sick after, but
I heard Maggie TK said they said that they were dead.
literally.
Yeah, I heard. They're like, Friday night was a doozy. And
Oh,
I'm like,
yeah.
Lily, you should. Oh, wow.
That wasn't bad.
That's a bullseye.
Okay, you've had practice.
Oh.
Oh yeah, this is like broken. Probably the one I saw last time. That.
Maybe have it like back.
Cause you
I
had
know,
that
I was
down.
thinking maybe I should do that.
You had that down. Next time TK talks shit, just whack him in the forehead with one of those.
Yeah, I would maybe.
I told you I'm not good at talking shit.
Hi, mister.
Hi, Bo.
Bo knows.
What do you think? What do you think Bryce is gonna say when he says?
Oh,
Hey, beautiful. Hey, ladies.
hey guys. Hey guys.
Sup, beautiful.
How's it going?
You think so? Okay.
gonna go, "Hey, guys."
Don't talk to him first. Let him talk to us.
He makes the first note.
Yeah.
Okay. I appreciate that. I'll use your 7-Up actually.
The gulps. The flops are out. The flops are out, bro.
Look how bald she's getting back there.
Hello.
Hi, you look cute. This fun outfit.
That was not what I thought you were gonna say, but
She was like, well, I like your hair.
thank.
Go. Okay, let's not do that.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
It just
No, let's do it. Wow.
Ball out. Ball out.
It looks good with the hats.
Wow. Sorry.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my. Oh.
Oh!
He ate it.
Drop it.
He ate. No, it's done. It's done.
Still in there.
Well, you know, I got more. So.
He did. He's like, yum, yum, yum. You had some. You had some. Hey, be nice. Be nice.
I was on my.
What? Okay, bartender. That's my man.
Hey, well, you can't drink that, buddy.
But it looks good on though. He pulls it off.
I still have. Let's analyze.
What? Little panties?
I just rolled them up. I was
Oh, okay. It's all like at least it's like further up. I want to see
Videos.
Oh,
Yeah, it's also has a second skin and stuff. Once it heals, I can take the ink off it.
what the hell? What shit? This is a real. It's like Sasquatch. Oh my. Whoa.
Okay.
You feel like a fullback.
Was it fun while it lasted? Look at him, he's exhausted.
Let's do it. They don't have.
Go on.
You gotta keep moving.
Oh, it's hella good.
That's rude.
You have to cut it aside.
Happy birthday, dear Ty and Dakota. Happy. sandwiches.
Make a wish.
Oh my gosh, so good. The ice cream. Oh my god. Oh,
No, I was recording you guys. Not anymore.
So this was the.
Bro, I didn't say anything.
I'm trying to get those home videos.
Are you the dream deal?
You gotta look down. Ben, come here. Hey! You don't want to play. Draw rhythm. Let's go, two shots.
There we go.
Completely fine.
There we go. Catch him up, man.
Wow. Ew. Cheers.
for you, buddy.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my god.
This is my work
battery already.
Hell yeah.
I went back.
This. There we go. Video, sir. It's a video. Come on, dude. It's a. Aww. Wait, so is this okay? Say hi to the camera. Tell us. Tell me your Diva Circus secrets. There you go. Let's see.
You saw me do it.
Can you look anyway? No. Jay stepped on Poopy. Hey.
Tell me you were one and they said you were a cowboy.
Like way drier. It's not like.
Hello, shalom. Shabbat shalom. Shabbat shalom. Oh, cute.
Well, that's good. Why darn that away?
It's my birthday. Oh, 32.
Wow.
It tastes like sugar.
I wanted to give full disclosure that it has been 3 days since that birthday party, and I realized I never filmed an outro. The night was too long, we had way too much fun. So here I am on a Tuesday, and the party is on a Saturday, letting you know that it was a long night. Happy birthday, TK and Dakota. I love you guys. Mwah.